TV box, how to change system. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. In this video, you're going to learn how to change the system of your TV box. Before that, do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel. Here, I make several tutorials, always to make it easier for you guys. I already have a video here on the channel showing you how to format your TV box. For example, you can take advantage of it if you're having trouble with the screen locking with a green screen. Formatting can solve your problem, so I'm going to leave it now on the card of this video. For those who formatted it, it didn't help. It keeps crashing a lot. It keeps showing a green screen. It keeps giving an error at the beginning. You try to turn on your TV box and it doesn't start. So in this video here, you'll learn how to change the system. That's exactly what I did. Okay, I have this MX9 here. It had a lot of problems in the original system. This MX9 had a lot of problems. In its original system, it would stay 15 or 20 minutes with a green screen. It crashed and it was a pain in the neck. What I did, guys, is I changed the system to this Lubox system. Guys, I had no headaches. I've been using it for over 2 months. It's been running smoothly without any crashes. This Lubox system runs very smoothly. So guys, to change the system, it's very easy. You will need some files to make this system change. I'll leave the link in the description, this folder with the necessary files for you. To change the system, remember that you need to have the 329 reels card in your TV box. It must be the 329 reels. The MXQ, MXQ4, MXQ4 Pro usually have this card. If you're in doubt, open your TV box and check. If it says 329 reels on the board, it will work without problems. Remember, it's at your own risk. This system change. If you have any doubts, I advise you not to do it. You will also need some tools. Which are the tools is easy. Alright, first off, it could even be a paper clip for you to reset, okay? Click the button to see to reset your TV box. You also need to have a USB cable to connect the TV box to your computer or notebook. It has to be a short cable, okay? Generally, very long cables don't work. If you buy it on the internet, you can even leave a link in the description with the correct cable for you to purchase. It's a short USB cable. Long cables don't work. If you don't want to buy it, you can also make this cable. You could cut 2 keyboards, 2 mice, and join the ends. It also works, okay? So it's just this cable, buying or making a cable and a little paper clip. I usually made a connection here. I cut an old internet cable here, okay? And I made a workaround here. So I already have the necessary tools, and you need the files, so you're going to download the files. You're going to unshare the folder, and 4 folders will appear here, okay? This last one is our system. It's going to be put in the TV box. It's going to be the Lubox system. We're going to put the smooth wheel system, okay? I didn't have any problems with it. I really like this system. The first file you're going to install is a driver, so you're going to click and you're going to look for this folder here, a driver install. Right click, run as administrator. You're going to click yes, and you're going to click on install. The driver has already been installed. Now, I'll come back here, okay? Now you're going to click on the folder below My Driver Assistant. So you're going to click, and you're going to click here to install the other driver, run as administrator. You're going to click yes, and this driver is going to be there too. And if a message says driver not recognized, okay, it can be there without problems. So I'll be here with the 2 drivers, and now you'll need to restart your computer or laptop. After you've started the computer, you're going to click here on this batch tool option, and you're going to click on this file here. RK batch is over here. We're going to do the installation, okay? It'll be in Japanese, and the first option is for you to enter the system. So the system is in the last folder that we downloaded. Let's go here and look for this system. In the last folder, it's the R329Q, so here is our system, Blue Box. So the system here is ready. I recommend changing the language here to make it a little easier. So you'll come here on the first button and click here in the last option to change it to English, okay? Change the language, and it was much better. So the system here, ours, is ready to upgrade the TV box. What we need is to connect the TV box to your computer or notebook. So your connected TV box will appear here. The connected devices at the moment have none. How do I connect my TV box to my computer or laptop? So you're going to take the paper clip I mentioned earlier, and you're going to press the AV button until you hear the click, okay? Leave it pressed. Then you'll plug in the USB cable until it makes the recognition noise. Next, you'll put the paper clip on the AV button first, then plug in the USB cable without unplugging it. You're not going to remove the paper clip from the AV button, leave it pressed, and you'll plug the connected USB cable into your computer. After you hear this recognition sound, you can remove the paper clip from the AV button. It's been recognized and will turn green. Here, the connected devices are turning green. With them green, you can click on the upgrade button without any problems, then just wait. The whole process of upgrading the system usually takes from 15 minutes to half an hour, so it'll take a while. What's on this screen? The first time you do the process, it takes longer, but it's usually faster afterward. We'll go to the initial setup screen. Just wait here. After that initial screen, you'll go to this setup screen. So I'm going to use my keyboard here, which is a plus for anyone who uses a TV box. If you don't have one, I'm going to leave it in the description link as well. Okay? It makes it a lot easier when I want to scroll or do some kind of visualization, so it's super fast. So I'm going to click here on the next button to begin the setup process for this LeoBox system. Here you'll choose your language, click here on Mo, and you're going to choose Brazil, Portuguese Brazil here. You're going to configure the screen. For example, this blue frame has to be well aligned in the corner of your television, so just click here to enlarge it. The four corners need to be well glued to your screen. I'm going to set it to 90% now. I'll click here on Next in this step. Here you'll configure your Wi-Fi network on your TV box. So I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi network here and enter the password to connect later. That's it. The system configuration is really easy. Click here on Finish. I've set up this LeoBox system on my MX9 TV box. This is the home screen, and if you want to change any icons, just click here on the left button. Choose the icon you want to change and put the icon you want to replace it with here. I'm going to put Media Center here, and it's already changed here, okay? Were you able to do the installation? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm signing off. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks.